Creating a Facebook group is a straightforward process that allows you to bring people together with similar interests, goals, or causes. Now, to begin, you're going to log into Facebook account and navigate to the groups section, usually found in the left-hand sidebar of the home page. Once there, look for the option to create group. So, which will guide you through the setup process. You're going to be prompted to enter a name for your group. This should be clear and descriptive, reflecting the group's purpose. Next, you're going to choose the privacy settings, either public or private. So, that determines who can see your group's content and who can join. Public groups are visible to everyone, while private groups require approval to join and keep posts hidden from non-members. All right? After setting privacy preferences, you'll have the option to invite people to join. You can search for friends, enter email addresses, or skip this step to do it later. You can also upload a group photo to give it a personal touch. Once your group is created, you can customize settings, such as allowing members to post or only admins. It also is important to establish group rules to ensure respectful interactions. Now, promoting engagement with regular posts and discussions will help your group grow and thrive. Let me know if this helped you out.